Ladies and gentlemen, Exclusive 2018 is a tribute to our late chairman and my father, Mr. Rajan Nanda, who dedicated his entire life in bringing the best of the world's technology to India. He is no more with us, but his spirit of innovation and inspiration of show must go on will always encourage us to develop more and more platforms of disruptive technology and partnerships to develop nation and contribute to prosperity and sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Exclusive 2018, an innovation platform where the world will participate to collaborate with unique technologies for a mechanized, profitable agriculture and an autonomous farming contributing to feed a 10 billion global population expected by 2050. The platform will also cater to partner unique technologies to develop smart infrastructure by redefining construction and railways of future. Escorts has a 70-year-old legacy of strategic partnerships with great names like Ford, Yamaha, Hughes, Massey Ferguson, Carraro, JCB. We continue to develop more, and today you will witness many of them as we live by the philosophy of bringing world's best to India and offering India's best to the world. Only 19% Indian farmers today have a tractor. 300 million plus farmers and agriculture labor still living in primitive agricultural methods and drudgery. Rural landscape of India, 630,000 villages is still digitally disconnected. Frugal technology and implements still dominate the farms, resulting in poor output and yields. Tractor rundowns and mechanical failures paralyzes the farmers. Adding to it, unavailability of timely, genuine parts and spares haunt them to loss of productive cycles. Tractors purchase and heavy finance costs still burden the farmers and their families, and thus they are still dependent on manual labor and practices which amount to extensive crop loss and poor yield. Hence in India, where 58% of national economy is still dependent on agriculture, the danger of shrinking agriculture ecosystem is on the rise. Today, Indian farming needs mechanization, autonomous technology, electrification, and farming intelligence to prosper, doubling incomes, and to arrest the youth drain out of agriculture. Exclusive as a collaborative technology and innovation platform will aggregate like-minded, purpose-driven technology partners who will co-create futuristic agriculture and infrastructure solutions. At Exclusive 2017, Escorts became the first company in the world to launch the concept of a compact electric tractor. This year, we have collaborated with some of the global best technology players to co-create technological breakthroughs and offer some unique tech agro solutions to India. I take this opportunity to thank our partners, Microsoft, Reliance Jio, Bosch, AVL, Trimble, Motherson Sumi, and WAPCO, who have collaborated with us to offer farmers the tools to transform the yield and lives at large. By aggregating precision technology, autonomous technology, electric transmission, decision support system, Internet of Things, and machine learning from Microsoft, AVL, WAPCO, these products will help qualify farm input and empower farmers with all possible intelligence to regulate their output, thereby saving more and earning more. Not just that, with the help of autonomous technology, sensor intelligence, and real-time tractor monitoring from Trimble and Bosch, we will make our machines interact with farms and predict their health for better yield, control, and optimization. Through our unique care concept by Motherson Sumi, we are redefining customer service and bringing great comfort into the lives of our customers. Not just that, we are leveraging the power of digital technology through Reliance Jio to bring last mile connect with our spare parts to be delivered in 48 hours. Shared services will define the future of agriculture, and hence we are pioneering in Escorts Crop Solution, which will offer a bouquet of state-of-the-art technologies and equipment, available on pay-per-use rental-based farming model, and will be able to maximize his yield by 25 to 30%. We are happy to introduce Traxi, an Uberization of tractors. Traxi is a platform where a farmer who owns a tractor will be able to lend his tractor to a fellow farmer on rental through an app-based service model. This platform will usher and foster agripreneurship and will help a larger base of small and marginalized farmers to get access to technology. Under the initiative SHIP, sprayers, harvesters, implements, and planters, we are introducing several implements that have been developed in partnerships with various leaders in this segment. Our smart implements not only address the growing problem of emissions, but also ensure that our customers have access to high-end machines that make their daily task easier and faster. Lastly, you will also witness some path-breaking technologies to foster smart infrastructure with state-of-the-art Tadano and Doosan technology collaborations, along with unique Mechatronics-based smart braking solution for rail locomotives. Ladies and gentlemen, Exclusive Year on Year will bring to the world the technologies which will usher a new era of agriculture and infrastructure technology breakthroughs. Welcome once again to Exclusive and partner with us to create a future of possibilities and community elevation driven by breakthrough technologies.